Welcome friends to Charlene's Animal Facts and Antics channel. Am I the only one that didn't know about the amazing animals whose names start with the letter A? From the arid savannas of Africa to the wind-swept islands of the Pacific, we'll encounter a diverse array of animals, each with its own unique adaptations and ecological importance. Join me as we explore the lives of these remarkable creatures, delving into their behaviors, habitats, and the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the natural world and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Here in the heart of the African plains, under the cloak of darkness, emerges a creature of peculiar habit and curious appearance, the aardvark. Its name, derived from the Afrikaans language, means earth pig, a fitting description for an animal that spends much of its life underground. With its long pig-like snout, powerful claws, and rabbit-like ears, the aardvark is a master excavator, creating elaborate burrows that provide shelter from the scorching African sun and safety from predators. But it's during the cool of the night that the aardvark truly comes alive. Using its keen sense of smell and hearing, it embarks on a nightly foraging mission, its sticky tongue, which can extend up to a foot, darting in and out of termite mounds and anthills, lapping up insects with remarkable efficiency. Sharing the aardvark's nocturnal habits and African homeland is another specialized insectivore, the aardwolf. Smaller and more delicately built than its namesake, the aardwolf might resemble a striped hyena at first glance, but its teeth tell a different story. Unlike its bone-crushing cousins, the aardwolf possesses weak, almost vestigial teeth, ill-suited for tackling large prey. Instead, this fascinating creature has evolved to exploit a different food source, termites. Under the cover of darkness, the aardwolf emerges from its burrow, its sensitive ears attuned to the faint rustling of termites. Using its sticky tongue, it laps up these unsuspecting insects, consuming thousands in a single night. Journeying now to the unforgiving expanse of the Sahara Desert, we encounter a creature of remarkable resilience and ethereal beauty, the addax. With its striking white coat and spiraling horns, the addax seems almost a mirage against the backdrop of sand and sky. This critically endangered antelope has evolved to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, where temperatures soar and rainfall is scarce. Their broad hooves act as natural snowshoes, allowing them to navigate the shifting sands, while their efficient kidneys extract every last drop of moisture from their sparse diet of desert plants. Sadly, the addax, once widespread across North Africa, now teeters on the brink of extinction, a poignant reminder of the fragility of life in even the most extreme environments. Chapter 4. African Bush Elephant, the Colossus of the Plains. Few animals command as much awe and respect as the African bush elephant. The largest land mammal on Earth, this majestic creature can reach heights of over 13 feet and weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Their massive size is matched only by their intelligence and complex social structure. Living in matriarchal herds led by the oldest and most experienced females, these gentle giants roam the savannas and forests of Africa, their deep rumbles and trumpeting calls echoing across the plains. Their iconic tusks, used for digging, stripping bark and defense, are sadly also a target for poachers, making the conservation of these magnificent animals more critical than ever. Chapter 5. African Bullfrog, the Amphibian Gladiator. Lurking beneath the surface of sub-Saharan Africa's waterways is a creature that defies the image of the docile, lily-pad-dwelling frog. Meet the African bullfrog, a master of aggression and a formidable predator in its watery domain. These large, stocky frogs, with their powerful legs and sharp teeth, are not afraid to defend their territory, often engaging in fierce battles with rivals and even preying on small mammals, birds and snakes. During the dry season, when water sources dwindle, the African bullfrog retreats underground, encasing itself in a cocoon of shed skin to conserve moisture until the rains return. Chapter 6. African Forest Elephant, the Elusive Gardener. Venturing deep into the dense rainforests of Central Africa, we encounter a more elusive relative of the bush elephant, the African forest elephant. Smaller in stature than its savanna-dwelling cousin, the forest elephant possesses a number of adaptations that allow it to thrive in this challenging environment. Their straighter tusks, used to navigate the dense undergrowth, and their prehensile trunks, capable of delicately plucking fruit from branches, highlight their role as architects of the rainforest. These gentle giants play a crucial role in seed dispersal, their dung acting as fertile ground for a variety of plant species, earning them the nickname gardeners of the forest. Across the vast plains of sub-Saharan Africa roams a pack of highly social and intelligent predators, the African wild dogs. Known for their striking mottled coats, no two individuals are alike, each pattern as unique as a fingerprint. Unlike many canids, African wild dogs are diurnal hunters, relying on their exceptional stamina and cooperative strategies to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Their haunting calls and whistles echo across the savannah as they coordinate their attacks, showcasing their remarkable teamwork and communication skills. Sadly, habitat loss, disease, and conflict with humans have pushed these fascinating creatures to the brink, making their conservation a top priority. Chapter 8, Africanized Bee, the Swarm of Controversy. Our next subject is a creature that often evokes fear and fascination in equal measure. The Africanized bee, also known as the killer bee, a hybrid of the African honeybee and various European honeybees. This highly defensive insect has earned a reputation for its aggressive behavior and potent sting. Accidentally released in Brazil in the 1950s, Africanized bees have since spread throughout the Americas, posing a challenge to beekeepers and raising concerns about their impact on native bee populations. While their reputation as aggressive insects is not entirely unfounded, Africanized bees also play a vital role in pollination, highlighting the complex relationship between humans and this controversial insect. Chapter 9, Albatross, the Master of the Skies. From the sun-drenched savannas, we journey now to the wind-swept islands of the Southern Ocean, where we encounter a creature of unparalleled grace and endurance, the albatross. With wingspans reaching up to 11 feet, albatrosses are the largest flying birds on Earth, their mastery of the skies evident in their effortless soaring and dynamic gliding. These remarkable birds spend most of their lives at sea, landing only to breed and raise their young on remote islands. Their ability to extract fresh water from salt water and their highly developed sense of smell, which allows them to locate food over vast distances, are testaments to their remarkable adaptations for a life on the open ocean. Chapter 10, Aldabra giant tortoise, the ancient mariner. Our final destination takes us to the Aldabra atoll in the Seychelles, home to a creature that embodies longevity and resilience, the Aldabra giant tortoise. These gentle giants, among the largest tortoises in the world, can live for over a century, their weathered shells bearing witness to the passage of time. With their slow, deliberate movements and their ability to survive for months without food or water, Aldabra giant tortoises are perfectly adapted to their island home. Their herbivorous diet, consisting of grasses, leaves, and fruits, plays a vital role in shaping the vegetation of the atoll, while their burrows provide shelter for a variety of other creatures. As living relics of a bygone era, Aldabra giant tortoises remind us of the importance of preserving the delicate balance of life on Earth.
Outro until next time. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the animal kingdom. From the Aardvark to the Aldabra giant tortoise, we've explored the lives of 10 remarkable creatures, each a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. As we've seen, these animals face a variety of challenges, from habitat loss and climate change to poaching and human-wildlife conflict. It's our responsibility to protect these creatures and their habitats, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Thank you for watching. Please share any thoughts about these animals or any personal experiences. I would love to hear them. Take care, God bless, and we shall see you in the next one.